here we go, starting to heat up. So YouTube, this is my brother-in-law's 3D printer. So this is Tivo, I forgot, Tivo Tornado, I think that's it. So, my brother-in-law asked me what do I want to be printed, and of course, being me, I'm a LeBron guy, so I had to get this model, STL model. I had to pay for it, but we went big and it failed. Look at this. Somehow we printed it like this, so it's facing upward. So it didn't do anything on this side, but it did finalize the print on the face of LeBron. It's still a fail. Okay, so we tried to edit it, tried to do some slicing on the files, not in here, and we came up with this. Believe it or not, it's still the same effect, same fail. So now I tried earlier before we ran out with a small, like 1/6. This will be good for enterbay, like an enterbay head size. There you go. So this one's perfect. The ear is there. The details are good. So you have to clean this up. This is removable. This piece. This is now it's starting to, it's heated up now to the right temperature, so it's gonna start now to print my bigger size of this. So according to the estimate, it will be at least 18 hours from now, and hoping that's good enough, because it's my flight tomorrow, so I need to bring it home. See, I'm breaking this apart easily. There you go. That's the neck of LeBron. So you need some cleaning. Some sandpaper will clean this one. Snipping up this. And I'll ask my son to help me paint this one. Bigger size will be better for the details, but look at how small this is, and the details are just amazing. That's LeBron for you. That is LeBron. Dang, with a headband too. Cool. That is sick. That's my brony. Size of my thumb. That will be double, I think that will be double the size of this or more. As you can see, it's doing its job now. So I'm excited. Well, I've been so excited the past few hours, the last day since yesterday. It just gave me this fail. I'm still bringing this because I can use this. Right? Look at that. It's still cool. Huh? It's Braun. This is the real deal. Alright, thanks for watching. So watch out for some continuation of this. I'll pause this, of course, it's 18 hours. So right now it's 0.3%. Right, see you soon. Bye.